There's our donor. Let's de-shield it. And let's go for them little... Oh, hell, that one looks like it's already been de-shielded. I hope the parts is in there. Well, alright, welcome back everybody. This is me again, Rodney, and today we're going to do a 6S that the guy said it got really hot and then lost its image. It didn't work no more, so they took it to another shop, and that other shop claimed that they put a battery in it, and that battery got the sucker to start up. It got super duper hot and still had no image. So we're gonna see what the heck is going on with this here phone. Well, this is just a board, as you can see, but we're gonna see if we can't fix it. So first thing I'm gonna do is hook this guy up to my DC power supply, and we're gonna see what kind of draw we get when we connect her here. Oh, hot dilly dang, that sucker goes straight up to maximum, and I can feel, oh baby, I can feel the heat. Oh man, that is hot stuff right there. Hot dang, right there in the top of that thing. Well, that is weird. Alright, well, it's definitely getting hot near the top. I'm just going to gut this thing and we just look at the insides, see if there's something we can fix. Let's hunker on over under that there microscope. We need to get this here shield off right there. Let's do that. Alright, that little guy popped right off. So what I'm attempting here is to smoke this board. Now we ain't smoking it like crack. We're getting some of this resin smoke to settle down, and that is going to help me find my short circuit. This is pretty cool. That is pretty tight. Okay, so we got that area smoked. Let's reconnect power. Alright, there's that power. Okay, so we're going to connect some power. Then we are going to just hit it. Oh, hot dang. Did you see that diode right there? That sucker just went. That sucker just went. Now look at what I just noticed that I didn't notice before. There is a diode right next to that one that is gone. That sucker is straight up gone. And my diode was the first one to melt. What does that tell us? It tells us that there is something wrong with this board. Is what it tells us. Now it's up to us to try to figure it out. I sure as hell hope I got one of them little diodes. So this is our diode that's getting hot. And this is our diode that is missing. Right there. Oh, you know what? I'll bet you $1 that it is that cap right there. I'll bet you $1. Let's put some finger probes on that sucker and test him. And that capacitor is short all the way across himself. So it looks like we're going to have to heat him up and get him out. And he is bad. Look at that. That sucker is dead. Alright, well, we gonna now check that there short. Alright, well, by taking that guy out, we have relieved our short, and now we need to find a new capacitor and a new diode that we can put right back in this happy home and make this here phone great again. Right there's our donor. Let's de-shield it, and let's go for them little... Oh, hell, that one looks like it's already been de-shielded. I hope the parts is in there. Let's take a looky-loo. Hot dang, look at that right there. That sucker is the chip, the diode, and the capacitor that I need. So before we get them off of there, let's prep the sat here. It's going to be receiving them new organs. And we is going to prep them by just tapping a wee little touch of this lower melt solder stuff. Right up in there. Oh yeah, get it mixed. Alright, I would say that my sat is ready. So now we're just going to start ripping and replacing. Alright, we're going to get right down in there and pluck him out. Oh yeah, he is plucked. That damn capacitor is in. I've got to go for that little diode. All right, that dude is in place, and I think he looks good. That right there looks as good as a freshly cooked chicken on my plate. Make sure it ain't got no shorts. And our line is cleared. So now, switching it back to my hands, we is gonna hook it right back to the DC power and see if it still freaks the truck out. And it does not. So let's put it in its housing and see if this sucker is gonna boot like it should. Let's disconnect that battery. We don't want to blow the backlight again. Hot dang. Alright, we ain't got no smoke. No smoke is a good thing. See if it'll power up. We might have a dead battery. Let's plug it in and reset the battery. Look at that. That right there is a battery charging symbol. That is good stuff right there. Let's hook us up a brand new battery because we're going to have to do that anyway. Let's see if we can get her to fire up. Alright, there is a good battery. And here we go. Hot dang, look at that sucker, got an apple. Let's test it for heat because they said this sucker was getting hot. And it just feels normal. Oh, look at that, we got a passcode, sucker. Well, I will say that this has been one hell of a successful repair. We did need to borrow some parts from a couple of broken phones, but when you look at the job we get done and you get to see the end, that is always a successful repair. So, thank you for watching me, Rodney, and I hope that you may have learned something or just got amused, and we'll see you on the next one. Don't be late, because it's gonna be good. If you know what I mean. If it is broken and you can send it to me or anything, and we'll get you back up and running all the way to getting your phone fixed. So, yep, thank you for watching me, Rodney, and I'll look forward for you to see me again, and we'll see you again if ever we get some more repairs.